Welcome to SmartDocs 2.1, a powerful content reuse and content management solution brought to your Microsoft Word authoring environment. SmartDocs makes it possible to store, track, share, access, and reuse approved content reliably across documents and company-wide. With SmartDocs, you write once, approve once, and use everywhere, without ever having to leave Word. Whoever is working with your company's content will be able to learn SmartDocs quickly and use it effectively to save time and money while improving the overall quality of the documents they are creating.
Once SmartDocs is installed, you will have a SmartDocs custom ribbon at the top and the option to work with the task pane as well. The three core elements of SmartDocs reusable content are reusable snippets, which are chunks of content that you have identified as needing to be available for reuse across documents, reusable variables, which are placeholders for discrete data that you will customize depending on the context of your content, and conditional tags, which allow you to identify text, graphics, and anything else you need to be able to show and hide depending on your document outputs. Let's begin with reusable snippets. There are many ways to find your reusable content so you can easily begin to build the document. One way is you can execute a simple search against your repositories in the task pane. By entering the search term regulatory, SmartDocs has searched against the metadata of all of my reusable snippets to find anything that matches my criteria. You can see we have a variety of choices which I can preview if I like beforehand, or I can simply select one, click on Insert, double click, or drag and drop into my document. SmartDocs will insert a copy of this content into my document, and you can see that there are some visible cues that tell you that this is a snippet. A blue outline, a name at the tab at the top, and some properties that appear in our task pane. You can also browse through your folders of reusable content, much like using Windows Explorer. As a template designer, you can also lead writers to pre-filtered lists of snippets through what we call Smart Finders. Executing a Smart Finder allows your writers to choose one or more snippets out of that list to start to populate your document very quickly. A snippet can be made up of plain text, rich text, and images. Really anything you can select in Word can be a snippet or part of a snippet. First, highlight what you would like to include in your new snippet. Then select New. Like many operations, SmartDocs will now walk you through a wizard. Our wizards are what makes SmartDocs easy to use and implement among all different types of writers and departments. First, you will select where to store your new snippet. Then, you will apply some metadata. This metadata is completely customizable by you. Once created, versions and usage of this snippet can now be tracked, and your new snippet can be reused by whomever has permission to do so. Reusable variables are placeholders that allow you to ensure consistent use of information such as names, addresses, product names, etc., and also allow writers to customize content to suit the current context. Some benefits of reusable variables are that they eliminate the need for find and replace, and with consistent use, writers can bulk update variable values across documents. Variables are shared across users and documents to make your reusable content more reusable. You have the option to lock approved values, such as company information, as seen in the task pane list of available variables in this document. You can also allow variable values to be edited inline. Or you can provide writers with a pick list of options. These assigned variable values will now update all occurrences of these variables throughout the document. A common use case for SmartDocs is condensing many like documents into one master. By applying variables and conditional text to a master document, it's easy to generate multiple variations off of a single document. In this example, we have a user guide from which we generate 3 versions of our 3 products. A media player with the models Mini, Classic, and Pro. Each model has different capabilities, so we've conditionalized some of the text and images in order to create 3 versions of our guide, which we can generate all at once. You can show and hide content, graphics, snippets, and anything you need to within your document. Once your conditions and variable values are set, you can save those settings as document snapshots. Document snapshots allow you to restore the complete output for each version and even bulk publish all of them at once. Each output variation will automatically apply the conditional tag rules and specific variable values as per your snapshot designs. Now let's look at our content map. The content map allows you to see all of the SmartDocs content in your document as well as its current status. This is the Expand All view of this document. I can see conditional text and snippet occurrences throughout my document so that I can easily navigate to any of them that I need to. SmartDocs will always let you know if any of your reusable content is out of date. SmartDocs does not force you to update your content, rather provides you with options for dealing with any snippets, variables, or conditional tags that maybe need to be updated or resynchronized with your repository. One of SmartDocs' most powerful document assembly features is called the Smart Builder. Smart Builders allow you to design fully customized interview-style wizards that will auto-assemble documents out of existing content for your writers. By assigning any number of SmartDocs actions to the responses writers provide, a Smart Builder can assemble a 100% complete document, or one that is as close to complete as possible, leaving any additional customization that is required by the writer. Writers provide responses to the questions you create. When finished, SmartDocs auto-assembles the document for them. For a custom demonstration for your team, please contact 36 Software or one of our regional partners. We look forward to speaking with you and learning about the content reuse goals you are hoping to reach with SmartDocs.